Well, I'm here at the Kidde Fire Protection Stand, joined by Paul Ellis. Now, right in front of me, we have a little demonstration. We've got some tea lights.
Yes, what
And
demonstrate is the state-of-the-art gas suppression fluid, which is called Novec 1230. It's a patented fluid manufactured by 3M, and we use it to extinguish fires in data centers and computer rooms, etc. It's a totally clear liquid at room temperature. It smells a bit like sweaty feet, but I won't let you smell it. No, it does smell a bit. But it's stored as a liquid, but when we release it into the room, it turns into a gas and puts the fire out. So if you watch carefully here, I'll be able to introduce the gas at high level. The gas is heavier than air, so it will float down, and it should extinguish all these lights. Okay. We hope.
it should. Okay, well, this is a real test.
Okay.
Drum roll, please.
Here we go.
Oh my God, that's amazing. So, oh, I can smell it and slightly breathed it in as well, but but it's okay.
The gas itself has extinguished the fire by cooling the fire at source. So basically, as it hit each of these tea lights, it extinguished the fire. And we do exactly the same in data centers and wherever you've got high-value assets around the world, in museums, archives. This is the perfect product for that.
So how would you normally use it to put out a fire?
Normally it's stored in cylinders such as these things. It's pressurized with nitrogen. A detection system would then detect the fire. It would send a signal to one of these cylinders, which would then release the gas. It would flow through nozzles, through pipework to nozzles within the room, and then it would disperse within the room and put any fire out that was there. It works in conjunction with the detection systems, which a lot of people sell here, which would first detect the fire. So although the detection systems would detect the fire, they don't actually put the fire out. What this does, it actually puts a fire out even when a room is unoccupied, such as weekends or evenings or whatever.
So who are your main clients then?
We sell these systems to end users such as banks, data center manufacturers, basically military, any large user of very high-tech, high-value equipment. We sell it through fire distribution companies around the world. So we sell in Europe, we sell in Africa, the Middle East, and the Far East. And also our sister company in the States sell throughout the United States and South America as well, yes.
Fantastic. Now, obviously, Novec is one of the most innovative products here at Kidde, but what else do you guys do?
Yeah, we also do a full range of what we call clean agents. These are gases which are safe to use in manned areas. They're environmentally safe, so they don't have any effect on the ozone layer or any global warming effect. And they're called clean agents. And we have, as well as Novec, we have FM200. We've been selling FM200 since 1992. And we're the biggest supplier of that gas around the world. We also supply a product called argonite inert gas, which again we've been supplying since the early 1900s. 1990s.
That would be impressive.
Not long, yeah. Kidde itself has been going since 1919, but the argonite was developed in the 1990s. And this year we're actually introducing a new range of gases for the argonite. We have IG541, IG100 and IG01. So it just widens the portfolio of applications that we have for that gas.
So what are the main applications that you do use them for?
I would say in the main they're used for computer rooms, archive stores. There's a lot of systems go on aircraft and also for offshore facilities, on board ships and lighthouses, vaults. They're anywhere where someone has very high value assets that they want to protect. So that's where we put all these systems in.
So what's the catch? Is it expensive?
There's no catch. It's some are more expensive than others. I mean, it just depends on what the customer wants. There are systems which we have here, such as Novec and argonite, which we can put in a centralized bank and protect more than one room at once. So that can reduce the costs. You only have one centralized bank of bottles, and that can protect 3 or 4 or 5 or multiple rooms. That's something we're introducing this week as well. We're having a 42-bar Novec and FM200 system being launched. and that will enable us to actually use one of these systems but have the bottles stored much further away from the risk area. So it gives us a lot more scope in different designs.
Fantastic, Paul. Well, enjoy the rest of the 3 days here. Come down to Kidde Fire Protection and watch the demonstration live yourself. Thank you ever so much. And make sure you follow the conversation on #FIREX. Also, we've got some keynote speakers talking today over in Speakers Corner. And if you're looking to learn about the latest innovations and technologies, get down to the Innovation Trail. Thanks very much. See you later.